Today we're going to be replacing spark plugs too. I got the NGK, where's the number? They're the T55s. There we go. The TR55 by NGK. Gapped them all to 0.5 with my little tool here. Because, I mean, just looking at these guys, it doesn't, I don't know how many miles. I assume they just need to be replaced. So, we're gonna replace these guys. I don't know what their gaps are either. Let's just check. Gap is small, dude. Yeah, I don't know what the gaps are supposed to be on these guys, but two different spark plug styles, I don't think is great. So we're going to TR55s. Got some wires here by MSD. Super low ohm resistance compared to, I mean, these guys. And I think these are the stock wires. So. Look at that. Use anti-seize, and I didn't take a bath in it. Oh, baby. You win. Okay, time to see if this thing starts. I'm just gonna blow a big cloud of smoke. Immediately just show me what a shitty job I just did. Check this oil first. Please work, please work. do something. All right, so we got a little oil. Burn off the header that I dripped. Okay, that's what that mark was. I was wondering about that. Everything else looks clean. Gonna wait for that to burn off. Hopefully there's no smoke. I'll have to go test drive it. So it looks like there's just condensation coming out of the exhaust. I think that makes sense. So, I mean, there's no smell to it. Feels like water. I'm gonna let it run a little bit and let it warm up. See if that disappears, because I don't care about water. As long as it's not antifreeze, but I don't think it's antifreeze. I think it's just condensation that builds in the exhaust. I mean, it's hot and cold here in Arizona every day and night, so good, I'm happy. Like my garage door opener. Well, I messed that up. I took all the wiring out to install that light, and I haven't had the time to figure it out again. So it's a little, we're shorting that boy to get her to go. But good. She works, bro. That's good. Everything worked. I'm always a little scared when I take things off and fix things and put them back. I mean, who is it? Because cars will sneak up on you and they'll do stuff you'll never expect. So, good. That's exciting. All right, we're gonna go for a test drive. Got no hood, no bumper. Here's the bumper. And no trunk, but I gotta drive this thing, so. Got everything tucked up and away for now. Look at that beauty.
Yeah, boy.
I don't have a parking brake, so I gotta like shove her in here while I open up the front door.
You need to stop everything. This needs to stop now. This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Freaking zip ties thing!
Just stop it.